Hi guys, if your washing machine is showing you the E21 error won't drain properly, the issue is usually relating to the water drainage. So in this guide you are going to learn what E21 means and how you can fix it step by step. Now on many of the washing machine brands like Bosch or Electrolux or some of the Whirlpool models, you are going to see this E21 code, which is going to indicate the washer cannot drain the water within the expected time. So this points to a blockage or the drain system problem. In order to fix it, you just have to simply check the drain filter first. For that, simply open the lower service panel and remove the drain pump filter carefully. Now place a towel underneath because trapped water may come out. Now coins, lint or socks or sometimes hair buildup commonly trigger the E21 error. Afterwards, you just have to simply check the drain hose behind the washer. If it is kinked, crushed or pushed too far into the standpipe, the water flow slow down. So a partially blocked hose can trigger the intermittent E21 error. Now you can also start a drain or you can also start a spin cycle and listen closely. If you find there is a humming sound, it simply means that the pump is trying to work. If there is no sound at all, it's possible that the power or the pump failure is the problem. If you find there is a loud grounding sound, it means that the blockage or there is a blockage inside the pump. So this is going to help you identify whether the issue is mechanical or electrical. So these are some of the fixes that you can try in order to fix your E21 error without needing any major repair. Thank you.